How to know who asked you on Tellonym. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So let's get started. Tellonym is an app that is used for people to connect around the globe and ask each other questions about different subject matters. This app is an app that allows users to be anonymous and ask questions. Here, you can also ask questions to other users and get honest answers and get their views on the subject matter. But since this app is totally anonymous, which is the great feature of this app, will not allow you to let you know about the person that asked you the question. But if somebody asks you offensive questions or use abusive language, you can report to the cybersecurity department or police and they will find out who asked them to you and they can be punished. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.